Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will analyze a novel by M.F. Hazim entitled Introvert Using an Expressive Approach. There are several things that I will discuss in this video. First, the definition of expressive approach. Second, the synopsis of the Introvert novel by M.F. Hazim. And last, the analysis of the Introvert novel by M.F. Hazim uses an expressive approach. Alright, what is expressive approach? Expressive approach is an approach in literary studies that focuses on the study of the expression of the author's feeling or temperament. In this approach, the assessment of work of art, the expression of the author's life. The expressive approach is an approach that expresses the author's through thoughts, feeling, or action based on the author's experience or imagination. A little about the author. M.F. Hazim was born in Sidoarjo, East Java on May 2, 1993. He is a writer, illustrator, editor, and entrepreneur. His work include 6 collections of short stories, 8 poetry anthologies, 1 coloring book, and 8 essay books, as well as 1 inspirational genre book entitled 101 Reasons for Happiness, published by BIP Gramedia. The author has a great interest in the field of painting and hopes to one day become a professional painter. Next, the synopsis of the Introvert novel by M.F. Hazim. Nawawi, a quiet boy who has almost no friends at school, but since middle school and after high school. In class, he sees other students who are often noisy and like to talk as people who just waste time on useless things. Especially when you hear a female friends who often talk about the latest models of clothes, bags, or shoes, or is a bit for selfies. Nawawi's life only revolves around the house, school, and library. He doesn't even want to leave the house during school holidays like most of his friends do. He likes to spend the day reading books, listening to music, and playing games at home. For refreshing, he chooses to cycle alone down the road around his area. It was also done at night to avoid the gaze of people along the way. Until then, Nawawi meets someone different, a girl who understood his thoughts, thus provoking him to speak at length, something he had never done in his life. The girl turns out to be an ambivert, a mixture of introvert and extrovert personality that makes a person able to put himself into an introvert or extrovert. The girl later became a close friend of Nawawi, not only accepting his personality. He has also made Nawawi able to open doors within him that have been closed so far, so that he can be more friendly to the world around him. Next, analysis of the Introvert novel by M.F. Hazim using an expressive approach. Angry. Malahan ia seringkali marah-marah dan tidak jarang menggunakan pukulan tangan untuk mengingatkan siswa yang sedikit berisik saat di perpustakaan. The author expresses feeling of anger, which is described by Bobby's character, a librarian, on page 99. Afraid. Selama di dalam kelas, aku seperti diburu oleh rasa khawatir dan takut. Aku begitu ingin berdiri dan bergegas pergi. In this sentence, the expression described is feeling of fear. Nawawi feels afraid if he is in a crowded place, on page 14. Sad. Aku pun bergegas membuka pintu dan mendapati Maya menangis terseduh-seduh, on page 84. And ibu mengatakannya dengan nada sedih. seolah sedang membicarakan anaknya yang sudah lama mati. On page 215 and 8, the author expresses feelings of sadness which are described by the behavior of sobbing, and also through the words of a mother who spoke in a sad tone. Happy. Si ibu tertawa lepas. Aku pun sebenarnya tidak bisa menahan tawa mendengar laporan anak itu. And selama perjalanan menuju sekolah, wajah semua orang terlihat bahagia dengan senyuman yang mengembang seperti perahu di lautan. The expression powered by the author is the feeling of happiness, which is described directly and with the praise laughing out loud. Next, annoyed. Dalam kekesalan yang semakin memuncak, aku mengambil buku tulis dan pena dari kolong mejaku. In the sentence fragment on page 8, the author expresses the feelings of annoyance felt by Nawawi because he was given an assignment by a social science teacher who has considered annoying. Panik. Oh tidak, dia kembali kejang-kejang. Oh kawan, mulutnya mengeluarkan busa, kata pria bersuara sopran itu dengan nada panik, on page 85. The author expresses feelings of panic with a sentence that is thrown in a panic tone. Next, worried. Saya tidak tahu judul bukunya. Saya mencari buku yang ada pembahasan tentang tema teman. Aku mengatakannya dengan khawatir. Khawatir akan menerima makian dan usiran. The feeling of worry felt by the main character in the novel which is known from his speech on page 97. Last, disappointed. Aku merasa cukup kecewa karena sudah mempersenjatai diri tapi tidak mendapat sebuah pertempuran. The feeling of disappointment felt by the main character in the novel, Nawawi, because he didn't find what he was looking for on the bus, on page 54. Okay, finally, in the expressive approach that I use in the Introvert novel by M.F. Hazim, it can be concluded that his novel has many expressions that are poured out by the author. I found 8 expressions that are angry, afraid, sad, happy, annoyed, panic, worried, and disappointed. Okay, thank you for your attention and thank you for watching this video. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.